Pyzdek Institute.
So here we have some numbers for a project, and I'm going to use Microsoft Excel to calculate the net present value of this project. We have a project that's going to run 4 years. The cost of the project initially is going to be $10,000 and another $2,000 in year one, and no additional costs after that. The benefits will get $500 in year one, $1,500 in year two, $5,000 in year three, and $7,500 in year four. Now to begin, I'm going to calculate or create another column that just says difference. It's going to be the difference between the costs and the benefits. So basically I'm going to add up the cost, which is a negative number, and the benefits, which hopefully are positive numbers. And I'll put the formula in the first cell or the first row, and then I'll just drag the handle down to copy that formula to the other rows. Now we also need to know what management's rate of return is, and it's going to be 12%. We're going to just get that number from finance, and that's the number that management wants for the Six Sigma projects, the rate of return management wants from its Six Sigma projects. Now we're going to click on the function icon, and we're going to find the NPV function. Click OK. It's looking for the rate of return. That will be the number we just put into this cell. So we select that cell and hit return. And it also wants the values. And the values are going to be the cash flows, not counting the initial cash flow. So those are in column D, rows 1, 2, 3, and our years 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we hit return, and let's just click OK. And the next thing we need to do is adjust this formula by adding or subtracting the cost from year 0. So essentially, we're going to just take our initial cost away from this formula, and that's going to give us our rate of return. You see that it's $1,800. Total return is $1,818 negative. So this is not likely a project management's going to approve.